Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine. Today we are here with new and stylish hijab dress ideas that will surely impress you. Make sure to watch the video till the end and express your opinion at the end of the video. These hijab dresses will be very helpful for hijabi ladies and girls. By taking ideas from this video, you can design beautiful and best hijab dresses for yourself, for any event. Some hijab dresses are for office wear, means for formal use, and some are for wedding parties. Belt hijab were also in trend last year. In belted hijab dress, you look more elegant and decent lady. You see lot of elegance, so that's why many women like to wear them. Let us know in the comment section, do you like belted hijab dress? Beautiful and classy hijab dresses, and the colors is also very decent. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel.